bank quotes an annual nominal interest rate of 7% with quarterly compounding, and we're asked to find out the equivalent annual rate assuming annual compounding. So let's write down what we know. We know that the nominal rate is equal to 7%. And we know that the compounding frequency is four quarters in a year. And so we know that the quarterly rate will be 7% over 4, or 0.07 over 4. And we also know that the future value of some principal with quarterly compounding will be 1 plus p times 1 plus rq, that's the first quarter, times 1 plus rq, that's for the second quarter, times 1 plus rq, third quarter, and times 1 plus rq again. That's for the fourth quarter. And another way we can write this is just 1 plus rq to the power of 4. Now, what we want to find is that annual rate, RA, such that our principal times 1 plus the annual rate to the power of 1, because there's only one period, is going to be equal to the same principal times 1 plus the quarterly rate to the power of 4. So basically we will need to solve for RA, and let's try to do that. Let's start by dividing both sides by p to simplify this expression, and this to the power of 1 we can just ignore it. So we have 1 plus RA is equal to 1 plus RQ to the power of 4. And now we can just subtract 1 from both sides and end up with RA, our annual rate, equal to 1 plus RQ, our quarterly rate, to the power of 4 minus 1. And we know that our RQ is 7%, 0.07 divided by 4 to the power of 4 minus 1. That's our RA. And I will let you do the math to find out what the number is.